G.
Okay, so here we have it. The new Xiaokoa, Xiaokoa, whatever it is. What the hell is this? This is the professional lavalier for cell phone and for vlogging. And that is the iPhone adapter. So we're going to do the unboxing. We're going to make 10 times. We're going to make a review as like very popular things in the YouTube community. So now we are moving to the YouTube community, and there's a model. I hired actually a model. Look at this. Nobody dared to hire a model for this thing. So I paid the model $1,500 just to be beautiful in front of this camera, and now she will review it. This is the review. The review will take a couple of parts. Like this is part number 1. Now, why we have a model? Because the models they will take. Huh?
I'm talking too much.
What a bad model. The model. Why the model would interfere with the director of the production?
Because it's my microphone.
Okay, the model is here to tell you guys and girls how does she feels. Now, in the unboxing, like in these unboxing videos, you have to say the most important thing, the packaging. Oh, like, look at that package, it's very expensive.
Okay, so this is omnidirectional condenser microphone with a rechargeable transmitter and
Transmitter.
No, it says transmitter.
Transmitter, it's called transmitter, okay? You have like... Okay, this is what it say, transmitter. But in this case, it's like, okay, so we have like spelling in the description. Where we bought this from? Amazon. Now let's talk about the brand. What is the brand? Show them the brand, please.
This is the brand.
This is the box of the brand. That's not the brand. That is the box. The box. Okay, now I show you. Okay, guys, fantastic. Now show them the manual. Does it come with the manual for dummies? Okay, this is the manual. Show them the manual.
It does. This one is
How
in
many
Chinese.
pages is... Okay, it's in Chinese, okay?
So it's quite irrelevant.
Okay, this is the English.
This one is in English.
Okay, so it does come with pretty extensive manual of 6 pages, like 8 pages done in a leaflet with pictures. Excellent style. I love the style. This is the style for dummies. You see, everything is explained how to do it. You don't have to be rocket scientists. Now, who might use this device? This is the device. It comes in this.
It has 4 stars reviews, by the way.
Okay, that is
not
interesting.
very
It
good.
has 4 star. What is it? It means it's good or it's
4
bad?
stars. It's kind of medium, I believe.
4 star is okay. This is for a big. This is a jack.
This is the receiver.
No, this.
Please. 6.35 millimeters receiver.
Okay, this is not the receiver. Okay, this is an
Okay,
adapter.
you know better than the manual.
The manual is wrong. Okay, this
Of
is
course,
not
for the second time.
this is not a receiver. Receiver. So
It says this is a receiver.
yeah, they also had the transmitter.
This is 3.5 millimeters receiver.
Okay,
this
this
is 6.35 millimeters receiver.
Okay, in the world, okay, this is the receiver. This is the transmitter. Okay.
This is the adapter.
Okay, adapter. You have to bring it closer to your skin because you are closer. Yes, fantastic. Okay, very good review. You are doing great. Look at this hair. Look at this nose. The most beautiful nose in the universe. Show off your nose. The nose.
Very cute.
Okay, very cute nose.
So this is
the cabling. Okay.
the cable.
Now, let's assume that our model it's becoming a very famous blogger from today, and she does not understand too much. She's not very technical person. So let me hear your opinion about how do you feel about this thing. Do you have this feeling that is going to be complex out of your technical ability to handle, or you think it's easy? What do you
I
think?
think it's easy. It's
Yeah.
pretty easy. It's here on,
On, off, yeah, yep, yep.
off. This is, I suppose, the
The volume,
volume.
yeah, fantastic, self-explanatory.
Pretty self-explanatory. This thing, by the way, I'm using an iPhone. I had to buy lighting at the adapter. It's called lightning to headphone jack.
Yeah, what is it
Apple.
called? Lightning to headphone jack. Okay,
Yeah, I had
fantastic.
to buy another adapter for this guy.
Okay, yeah, okay. So let's talk about money. How much this whole set cost? Wait a minute.
Yeah.
I'm surprised. This is one microphone set or two?
No, this is just one microphone.
Okay. So this is
Microphone.
one receiver, one transmitter,
The
a
other
cable.
receiver.
This is this we're not gonna use. This is for to put it in a professional audio equipment system. Okay, this one. We'll never use it. Now let's see the adapter. So how much it costs this thing without the adapter? Transmitter,
It's, around $38.
$38 in Amazon. How long it took to come?
I am an Amazon Prime user, so it took them 1 day to deliver it.
Okay, so you ordered it yesterday and it's
Yeah.
today home. Yes,
Exactly.
fantastic.
So this is the
Adapter.
iPhone adapter.
Yeah, let's see.
This is the microphone adapter.
Okay. Oh wow, what a polished nails you have. I want to ask you, did you polish your nails for this unboxing of this product? I think you did that.
I always take care of my nails.
Oh yeah. So I think you should be hired all the time to make like $1,500 for like 5 minutes. That sounds like a very good.
Okay, and now I guess it goes here.
Well, let's see.
Then
Okay, so that is the set. You have like a black shirt that is nothing could be seen. Yes, fantastic. Very good. So the iPhone, the adapter, the thing, and is there a sign here? Whoa, this is something that I don't like. On the other device that we had this. This is just like embossed here, engraved.
a sign of a microphone and a sign of headphones. I'm not
So
sure which
yes,
one we should
so
use.
we have to put the transmitter on the microphone. Okay, that is one downside because it's not very well indicated. It's just yeah.
I'm not sure if this microphone is charged. Yeah, looks like
Yeah,
it is.
came charged.
We can do a test.
Okay, let's do a test. So now, let's recap. Has manual in Chinese, good thing. Has manual in English, very simple. You almost don't need manual. And that's it pretty much. Has this,
The cable is to charge this device.
the cable is to charge. Let's see the charging cable. I'm interested in the charging
The
cable.
length.
Not the length, but it has,
Quality?
okay, yeah,
Has
there's two chargers with
two
one
chargers.
USB. Okay, very good, very good. Okay, pretty
One
much standard device. I have another device that is the same.
company.
It's not a different company, but it has two microphones. It was $27 or $30. And I like it. It's not very good as quality. This one, we do not expect high quality. We're gonna make another review. Okay, now.
Has a clip.
Yeah, the
Here
clip.
for
Let's
convenience.
see. Can you tell them the story about the clips of the other device?
Yeah, we have a similar device, and the clip didn't last that long.
Broke.
It was
Why?
just-
It didn't
just
last. It did not last for one very simple reason. Because this part here, can you show them this part here? This part in the other clip. Yep, there is a part here. Let's focus now. Now this part here that the clip was attached. The other one was attached to this clip was attached to a plastic piece that broke in the third usage. So, and this one has better build quality by metal thing. You cannot see it, but it's a metal thing. This will never break. Okay, it's very solid built thing. Yes, that's the better part.
Okay, so let's check the quality. Yeah.
Are you happy?
I don't know yet. So
Are you
this is
happy?
the video on my phone.
Okay.
Let's start
you have to, I guess.
Everything is turned on.
Yeah, it is supposed to automatically synchronize, yeah? It should be some indicator. Let's see how this will synchronize. There's a light here and light here. I don't know if you see, yeah? Okay, now turn them on. And this, how you turn this on? Is there a button? Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Turn off and turn on the button. They're supposed to somehow magically, hop, there you go, the two lights blink simultaneously, therefore it's supposed to work. Okay,
Okay, let's do a test.
okay,
Okay, we are recording this video to test the new microphone we just bought via Amazon. As you can see, guys, my voice is not really loud, so let's check how it came up.
you have to now, in order to check the quality, you have to, yes, you have to disconnect, and now let's see.
Okay. Okay, we are recording this video to test the new microphone we just bought via Amazon. As you can see, guys, my voice is not really loud. So let's check how it came up.
I cannot see any difference between the cell phone microphone and the,
Let's do it without microphone.
okay. It looks like this didn't
Okay.
work. Yeah, it looks like the device didn't work.
Okay,
That's
let me do the test.
okay.
Okay, guys, this is the test without the microphone, just to see the difference of the sound on my phone. Okay, guys, this is the test.
This sounds better.
Microphone, just to see the difference of the sound on my phone.
Yeah, can you start the first video?
Looks like this didn't work.
Wait. Okay, we are recording this video to test the new microphone we just bought via Amazon. As you can see, guys, my voice is not really loud. So let's check how it came up.
Okay, push the next video. The iPhone.
Okay, guys, this is the test.
This sounds 10
without
times
the
better.
microphone, just to see the difference.
Maybe this
of
did
the
not
sound.
work. Maybe we did not turn it on. Okay, so we are doing the
I don't know.
in real life. Okay, so now let's read how to actually. Okay, off on charging jack, okay, need to, how to record on your phone, receiver. Oh, you see this receiver has another picture of this thing here, it's not the same, this has no, this what I said before. Okay, anyway, so yeah, so
Microphone, so everything's
insert insert to the adapter. Yes, okay, go. We show. Yes, we did to the adapter. We put it here, and then what? And then fully charged 2-3 hours. Okay, how to this? Okay, when the blue lights flashes quickly during use, the low voltage prompts please charge as soon as possible. Maybe we don't have. Okay, so anywhere in the thing it doesn't say for the moment that we.
Let's try to leave my phone further.
Microphone and receiver connection. Okay, it doesn't say how these two devices are connected. It does not say where the devices are. They synchronized as soon as you, that's the very important question. As soon as you turn them on, are they synchronizing with each other, or you have to push bunch of buttons to synchronize? That's what is my interest. Yeah, how they synchronize? Are they just synchronizing by simply turning them off and on, or there is some like instruction there? Is there? What does it say? Wireless. Okay, here is something that does not tell me anything, or I cannot see. Okay, just turn on. Now let's see, that's the important part. Show the indicator, turn it around. Okay, I see indicator, yeah. Okay, This indicator works. Okay, both indicators work. So I believe, okay, there is something like a, yeah. Now let's do another test. I will take the microphone like 5 feet away from here. Okay, turn on the button and I will disappear far away.
Okay, we are doing the second test for the microphone we just bought by Amazon. Let's see how the sound is this time. Maybe we accidentally turn it off last time. Let's see.
Okay, I went like 10 feet away.
Yeah,
10 feet away.
Far.
Okay. Now let's hear what happened.
Okay,
I will disappear far.
just don't talk. Okay, we are doing the second test for the microphone we just bought via Amazon. Let's see how the sound is this time. Maybe we accidentally turn it off last time. Let's see. Can you hear the noise? Yeah, it went pretty far.
There is noise,
Yeah.
but I don't know if the device is working or not even working, because when I was close to you here, around you, it's not supposed to hear my voice too well because you are the one close to the microphone. I believe that the device is not fully charged and it doesn't work properly. So that would be we have 17 minutes. We have a beautiful model here. She will be blogging all day long with this device. We're gonna,
Hopefully.
yes, we are going to, maybe some of these are,
We should try it on another phone, an Android phone.
oh yeah,
Yeah.
that's right, I have another Android phone. We're gonna test it in the next video. Okay, that's it for the moment.